Hi, this is Paul Kapustka from Mobile Enterprise 360. Today we're going to be talking about cloud services and how you can possibly learn from the biggest provider of cloud services. Forrester research has come out with some interesting suggestions for its big enterprise customers. Namely, Forrester is saying you can learn cloud tips from the biggest cloud providers. And they went to the biggest cloud providers, who are companies like Microsoft, Google, and Salesforce.com, to find out what they did to streamline operations and cut costs. Here are some of their top tips. The first one sounds pretty simple, but is pretty good when you stop to think about it. It's Standardize. If you're building a cloud operations center in your own IT department, picking one or two architectures for your servers and switches and everything else that's needed is key. Not only does it reduce upfront costs by simplifying design, it also really helps when it comes to support and scalability. If you're putting in data centers or cloud services in different parts of the country or different parts of the world, support is the same no matter where you go if you standardize. Number two is automate. Cloud services, by their very nature, are somewhat repetitious. So what Forrester is suggesting is that you find ways that you can write scripts or find tools to help you automate some of these processes. Again, it sounds simple, but when you think about the repetition and use that cloud services get, having things automated can save you a lot of time and a lot of money. The third one is one that may not immediately come to mind when people think about data and computing, but it's power management. Anybody who's ever built a data center of any size can probably tell you that their power needs and air conditioning needs were way bigger than they originally thought. Fortunately, you can learn by picking up the tips and tricks from the biggest providers on how they automate or streamline power management and apply those to your own operation. To me, this is just like reading one of those magazines where professional golfers offer tips on a swing. You may not ever play in a PGA tournament, but you can sure use those tips to improve your own home game. I think by picking up similar tips from the big cloud providers and the big cloud services operators, you can improve your cloud operations and your enterprise. This is Paul Kapustka from Mobile Enterprise 360. Thanks for listening.